Today we are going to learn Chinese characters.
开
See how to pronounce this character.
开 可爱 开 开 开心 开心 我今天很开心 我今天很开心 开车 开车 他正在开车 他正在开车 打开 打开 请打开窗户 请打开窗户
Next, let's look at how to write the character. Alright, let's write this character again. The original meaning of this character is to open a door, to open. It is also used to mean begin, start, or open-minded. In Chinese culture, it symbolizes opening, a beginning, and hope. When writing this character, this stroke should be a little longer. That's all for today's study. Bye.